Hi, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Donna Marie Acosta. I am 29 years old. I am unmarried. I am high school graduating in Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. I am four children. My first son, 17 years old. My daughter, 16 years old. The third kid is a twin, the age of 11 years old. My experience is working in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia with two employers. My good job is cleaning house, washing clothes, iron clothes, cleaning the plate, and cooking foods Arabic. To my future employer in Singapore, Mom and Sir, I will promise myself I am honest, loving, I humble, and I will respect to my employer. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir.